I want to show you guys the coolest little pressure washer nozzle gun that's out there for when you're cleaning your RV, when you're cleaning your truck, when you're cleaning just about anything. This is going to immediately go from soap to rinse at a push of a button. So basically you just pull this up and it goes to rinse mode, push it down, and it goes to soap mode. So check that out, just up, down, just like that. You're going from soap to rinse right here. And it's a quick connect for the nozzle, and it's a garden hose thread size for this connection. So let me show you how it works. All right, you just turn this on, get it up to pressure, and away you go. I mean, you got, push it down, it's gonna spray this way, and push it up, get your soaps. So let me show you really quick on our rig. It's really dirty. You can see these dirt streaks right here. It's the coolest thing. I mean, it just goes from suds right here, switch it, and you're rinsing it off just like that. Some suds to rinse. And then you get neighbors coming over here while you're washing because they think it's the coolest thing ever too. Hi, Hudson. That's all good. So, I mean, you got from switching it, look at that. Soap, 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 rinse. All in one application. I mean, isn't that the coolest thing? That's so cool.